Hi, so this video is going to show you how I would like for you to view my PowerPoints. So what you'll do is first click on this link. I have a PowerPoint link in this assignment. So you will open this link. Mine's not allowing a single click at this moment, so I right click, I say open link in new tab. I look up at the top and I find a new tab. Actually my tab is down bottom, so I'm going to show you where I can see it at the moment. Right here. Alright, and so what I will do is say open. It showed up down here as a something that was downloading. I'm going to say open. It's going to open in PowerPoint. Once it opens in PowerPoint, I will have to click on Enable Editing first. Then I will click Slideshow from beginning. It will then start, and you will hear my voice talking about your PowerPoint. If you want to get out of that mode, press Escape on your keyboard. After you press Escape on your keyboard, you could select which slides you want to pick back up on. So let's say I want to go all the way to slide 9 because I've already watched the first part, and then say Slideshow from current slide. So that's how you can sort of navigate through to the different slides if you want to re-listen to one.